Ụmụ Igbo ekenekwa m ụnụ. Ọmụ bụ Chuka ndụ na-eso okwu. Onye isi na Voice of the Sun. Tata anyị nọ na the secretariat, government secretariat na ỌKA na Anambra State. Tata bụ afọ bụ the 20th of March 2025. Anyị nwa bụ ndị ọdịnala tata bịalụ ka anyị kpaa nkata ka anyị tụọ alo otu dị iche iche na-eme ọdịnala na Anambra na ala Igbo niile, nkwa ndị si Imo, nwe ndị si Enugu wee bịa. Anyị bịa tata ka anyị tụọ alo ụna anyị esi welu chekwaba ọdịnala Igbo, ụna anyị esi welu na-ekwu okwu ihe gbasara ọdịnala Igbo, otu ya apụta chekwaba ndị Igbo na-eme ọdịnala welu ekwu ya bụ nzukọ ka anyị bịara tata bụ afọ. Gezienụ ntị ka unu nụ ihe akpọrọ press conference, press release, ihe anyị nwa bụ ndị ọdịnala Igbo nwere ikwu under the aegis of NOWA, ihe anyị nwere gwa ndị Igbo. Ekenekwa m.
So good morning, members of the press. Here our press release by Nzukọ Odinani Welfare Association, NOWA. Nzuko Odinani Welfare Association is the apex body that unites all the sub-social cultural groups and religion of Igbo extraction across Igboland as a socio-cultural body equipped with a vibrant understanding and knowledge of core Igbo traditional practices and religion. We are not unmindful of the menace caused by some unscrupulous and criminal elements whose main interest is to swindle the unsuspecting members of our society under the guise of real practitioners of traditional religions, medicines, or priests. The main purpose of this press conference, therefore, is to assure the government of Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo that NOWA will leave no stone unturned in its zeal to assist the government of Anambra State to checkmate and, if possible, flush out completely the bad eggs that have given the practice of traditional medicine, religion, and other traditional practices in the state a bad name. We equally wish to use this opportunity to laud the untiring efforts of our dear governor in ensuring that the state is safe for all of us and other Nigerians in our state. And with one voice we say, well done, Mr. Solution. Nzuko Odinani Welfare Association, NOWA, is pleased to announce its support for the government's effort at sanitization of the religious and traditional landscape in Anambra State. We also support the need by the government to weed out corrupt elements in our society under any guise. As a cultural, religious, and spiritual organization, NOWA recognizes the importance of maintaining clean and healthy environment for our communities. In light of this, NOWA appreciates the government's concern over our ancestral practices of river sacrifice and desire to create a healthy environment. Our request: NOWA is calling on the government to kindly reconsider the ban on water sacrifices among Igbo spiritualists in Anambra State. We understand the historical, cultural, and spiritual significance of these practices and also recognize the need to adapt and evolve with changing times. We know that alternative solutions can be explored by allocating a portion of some streams for the purpose of sacrifice, while at the same time making provisions to clean up that portion of the stream after the exercise. NOWA is committed to working hand in hand with the government to ensure that our rivers and water bodies are kept clean. We know that collaboration between government and community organizations is key to achieving this goal. We are ready to provide our expertise and resources to support the government's efforts in this regard. As part of our commitment to our communities and the government, NOWA is also willing to collaborate in identifying and weeding out criminal elements amongst Ndi Dibias. NOWA invites the government to intervene immediately in the ongoing intimidation of Ndi Odinana by security operatives across Igboland. NOWA will set up a task force to help identify bad elements among its members and also to help treat cases of illegal intimidation by president generals of communities and some security agents. In the spirit of unity and progress, NOWA invites other Odinani organizations and stakeholders to join us in our efforts to promote the welfare of our communities and to support the government initiative. We know that through collective actions, we can achieve meaningful and sustainable change. Anyị ka bụkwa ndị nke gị. Abụ m ọzọ dịka ụgbọaja, ọzọ onye buru chi ụzọ, ọgbagbo onwe ya n'ọsọ, Secretary General, NOWA, and again signed by Nze Ezafọ onye buchi Chukwuemeka Izuegbu, nnukwu kọmmụọ Ize Otiwaloji, Coordinator, NOWA, Nzukọ Odinani Welfare Association. Thank you very much for your time.